तो बच्चों आज हम आपके साथ 10th क्लास का बिगिनिंग का चैप्टर पर डिस्कस करते हैं। 10th क्लास में बिगिनिंग चैप्टर आपका है नंबर सिस्टम का है। 9th में भी है बेसिकली, बट ऑब्वियसली अगर आप 9th का नहीं याद रखें तो 10th के लिए आपको मुश्किल होगी। तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, शुरुआत में रिवाइज करते हैं कि नॉमेनक्लेचर क्या क्या है। लेट अस राइट नॉमेनक्लेचर, CLATURE। नॉमेनक्लेचर में क्या क्या नाम देते हैं, तो नाम तो बहुत सारे हैं। पहले आप लिखो नेचुरल नंबर्स, नेचुरल नंबर्स। फिर आता है होल नंबर्स, फिर आता है इंटीजर्स, इंटीजर्स, ओके। फिर आता है आपका प्राइम नंबर, ध्यान देते रहिएगा। फिर हम कहते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स बात कहते हैं इवन नंबर्स, ध्यान देते रहिएगा सब चीज़ों में। एक लग रहा है सब बड़ा आसान सा है। फिर आता है ऑड नंबर्स, ये सब बहुत बेसिक चीज़ें हैं जो हम आपको लिख रहे हैं। फिर उसके बाद आता है बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट शुरू होता है यहाँ से, दिस इज इनफैक्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, रेशनल नंबर। और रेशनल नंबर, और इसके बाद आता है आपका, लेट मी चूज इंक हियर, और ये आपका हो गया इरेशनल नंबर, नंबर्स। ये आपके दो बाद में इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाएंगे। और एक होता है फ्रैक्शन भी। इसके बाद यहीं पर कहीं पर आप प्राइम नंबर, इंटीजर्स के बाद, इंटीजर्स में के पहले होल नंबर, पहले आप फ्रैक्शन। ये आपका नॉमेनक्लेचर है, दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉमेनक्लेचर, ओके। ये नॉमेनक्लेचर है आपका। नेचुरल नंबर्स, होल नंबर्स, इंटीजर्स, प्राइम नंबर्स, इवन नंबर्स, ऑड नंबर्स, रेशनल नंबर, ओके। सो फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट द नेचुरल नंबर्स। नेचुरल नंबर अगर हिंदी में बोले वास्तविक संख्या, प्राकृतिक संख्या, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है। नेचुरल नंबर्स को आज के दिन भी हम लोग 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। इसके बाद एक क्वेरी है। क्वेरी हम आपसे पूछते हैं, इज 10 a natural number? Is 10 a natural number? कुछ बच्चे तो बोलेंगे टीचर ने बताया नहीं अब तक। 10 is not a natural number because नेचुरल नंबर को n से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, n लिख दिया हमने। अब आता है 10 क्यों नहीं है नेचुरल नंबर। 10 is not a natural number. So अगर आपके टीचर कभी भी बताएं कि and so on doesn't mean it goes beyond 9, 11, 12, these are not the natural number, because till 0 was discovered, till 0 was discovered, numbers were only up to 9. So if you are asked a question about natural numbers, you can simply say from 1 to 9 is the natural number. Now when we come to the whole number, let us say whole number, then whole number includes 0 discovered by Aryabhat. Now from here you can say natural number is up to the 9, but this whole number is when you include whole number represented by W, and W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you can say 10, 11, 12, 13 and up to the infinite. This is whole number. So you can also write whole number is equal to what? 0 plus natural number. This is whole number. Okay. Now after that, some number we write some numbers with some number numbers with 0, with minus sign. Then what would happen if you write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5? Then you will say it is neither a natural number nor whole number. ये दोनों नहीं है. तो क्या होगा? Then we have a nomenclature that this type of numbers are called integers. Integers are the group of whole number with minus sign 2. Okay, let's come to the other page. Yeah, it has already come. So now integers. So what is integer? Integer is, write down 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and goes to the infinity. This infinity. So this is this set of numbers. This set of numbers is called integers, represented by what? By Z. Represented by Z. So this is integer. Now the question is prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divided by self or by 1. So generally 1 is not taken as a prime number, is universal number. So we start from here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Then after that 14, 15 is divisible, 16 is divisible, so it is 17, 19, 21 is divisible. Let me write 21 and cut it. So 23, 25 is divisible, 27 is divisible, 26 is divisible, 29 is not divisible. So and 31, 33 is divisible, 34 is divisible, 37 is not divisible, and so on. You find it out. This is question for you. These are the prime numbers. The prime number, those numbers which are divided by self or by 1. So these are the prime numbers. Now after that we go for the odd numbers. Numbers which are not divided by 2. So this is, again you can leave this one, but 1 is available on both sides. 1 is not divided by 2. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 itself, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. These are all the odd numbers. Even numbers, let me change the ink so that it looks more colorful. Now even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, and so. The numbers which are divisible by 2. So this is, I mean, they are very simple definitions. This prime number is relatively important, which will be used in rational numbers. Integers, these are important. This is Q, let me write it Q. This is prime number, odd number, even number, and then after that the most important number which will be coming in your future courses, which is rational number. Let me change the ink so that it is more apparent for you to locate in the page. Let it be blue ink. Okay, so rational number, RATI, rational number. Rational number is, this is the most important. Integers are represented, I have written something wrong here. Integer represented by Z, not this Z. I do not know how I wrote this. Z. Anyways, rational number. So rational numbers are represented by Q. What happened? Is represented by Q. And let me tell you, all integers which can be written in the form of A upon B, where B is not equal to 0, are rational. ध्यान दीजिएगा, rational number. For example, all integers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or whatever, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. If you write is in the form of 1 up A upon B, I mean you can write 1 upon 1, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5. They are all integers. Sorry, they are all rational numbers. Okay, so but B cannot be, but B is never 0. This is all rational numbers. Let me come to another definition, and then after that we will reach to some other part. of this chapter, that is important part. Now you know the rational number, you know the integers, you know the okay. So rational number is in the form of, may be in the form, right, let me down, is may be in the form of a upon b. In it means all the integers are rational number. Now one question, important question is, whether 0 is rational number or not. ये important question है, आता है, it comes in examination. Yes, 0 can be written as 0 upon 1, which is again 0, is again 0. So it can be written in rational form, so it is a rational number. Rational number can be, if you divide 2 by 3, what will happen? 3, 8, 6 ja point, 3 6 ja 18, 2, then again 6 3 ja 18, 2, 6, every time. So one important thing is, it is repeating and may terminate or may not terminate, but condition is it should repeat the numbers. For example, 0.123, 123, 123, 123 is a rational number, is a rational number, but 0.123, 124, 125, it is not a so first condition of rational number is what? Terminating, non-terminating, but recurring. Now just opposite of this, opposite of this is opposite of this, opposite of this is irrational number. Means non-repeating, non-terminating. Non-repeating means 0.123, 125, 165, 155. This is non-terminating. Okay. Non-recurring or repeating. So irrational numbers are those numbers which are non-recurring and non-terminating, and the best examples you will find in future: under roots, under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 6, whatever. They are non-repeating and non-terminating. We will in 10th class you will find, I will take this in the next chapter. In 10th class you will find this is the part which you have to understand or read or study. So let us start again from the very beginning to finish the chapter. The number system. The most important thing number system is the nomenclature. Nomenclature means what are the names which we call in the number system. First, the natural number. Natural number, those numbers which start from 1 and up to the 9. If somebody says natural number 9 so on, so you may interrupt your teacher and say after 9 it is not natural number, because unless 0 is there you cannot say they are the numbers, they are the natural numbers. When 0 is added, then it's called whole number. So 10 is not a natural number, but when 0 is added it becomes whole number. So the whole number represented by W is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to infinite. In the same number, prime numbers are those numbers which are divided by themselves or by the 1 itself. Even number, those which can only be divided by 2. Odd number, those numbers which cannot be divided by 2. Rational numbers are the all numbers, all the real numbers which have the minus sign 2. So integer is the group of whole number that is with the sign 2. And then after that we come across the integers that is represented by 0, represented by the z. So from 0 to left side, 0 to right side, all the numbers are called the integers. Prime numbers I told you, odd number I told you, even number I told you. Rational number is a number which can be represented in the form of P upon Q. I mean ratio, when you write in the form ratio, it becomes the rational number. 1 upon 1 is also a rational number. 0 upon 1 is also a rational number. So this is the rational number, and subsequently we come across the question I told you. 0 is a rational number, not yes, 0 is a rational because it can be written in the form of 0 upon 1. And the opposite of the irrational number is, opposite of this is irrational, I mean the rational number which can be written in the form of terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Repeating number are the rational number, but if it is not repeating and it's not terminating to, then it becomes the irrational number, which can be presented by which are generally shown in the form of under root, square root. So under root 2, under root 3, 5, 6, 7 etc. are the irrational numbers. So for today it's over. I will come in the second part with the properties of the irrational numbers. So okay, for today